Rain X products are scientifically designed to repel the elements and improve the driving experience. Rain X has now designed the next generation of wiper blades with patented Rain X water-beading technology. A traditional wiper in a heavy downpour can have difficulty removing the water. Visibility is impaired and the water sheets down the glass, distorting the view ahead. New Rain X Repel wiper blades are the first to apply Rain X water-beading technology, enhancing visibility so water beads and flies off the windshield. Installation is easy. Rain X Repel wiper blades activate the windshield after a simple 3-step installation process. Step 1. Clean and activate the windshield by applying the included activation wipe in a circular, overlapping motion. Dry the windshield with a paper towel or cloth. If unable to use the wipe during initial installation, simply hold onto the wipe and use as soon as convenient. Step 2. Install the wiper blades on the vehicle and remove the protective squeegee cover. Step 3. To activate the water beading, turn the wiper blades on medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes. After activation, the wiper blades begin to display visible water beading, improving driving visibility over tens of thousands of wipes. To demonstrate the effectiveness of Rain X Repel wiper blades, view the effects of muddy water on an untreated windshield. The mud clings to the surface of the glass. The revolutionary Rain X Repel technology clears away even the worst elements for significantly improved driving visibility. Change your blades today to Rain X Repel, the only wiper blades with Rain X water-beading technology.